Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Viewing the Australian dollar, a couple of things have caught my eye. One of the facts is that we've got a couple of doji stars here, which is negative, and also the fact is that as prices are making higher highs, the RSI indicator is showing somewhat some divergence. I feel that after the challenge near that 72-cent handle was rejected, and while maintaining beneath this level, should see further risk to the downside. But there is still a lot of work to do to support any reversal to this pattern, and that would be from a break of 70.65. If we see that, then that would reinstate the downside to 69 cents. As the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, posts a fresh intraday low of 93.10. Euro surges above 118 for a second and turns around. And as you can see from the technical aspect, we are breaking down clearly from the RSI, and we are extremely overheating on the ADX. Therefore, I do anticipate the market should pull back from this 118 level, and that is, and look towards the downside, which is somewhere close to 117 to 116, and reassess from there. While this pattern is breaking down, should give further evidence of any attempt to the upside to fail. The challenge of 104.8090 was respected overnight, but still, from a technical point, the ADX is bearish. The RSI is a little bit oversold. There is a little bit of profit taking being seen at the moment. Although I do feel the market could see one more challenge towards the bottom side of this range, anywhere from 104.10 to 104.80, I do like to stress that lowering your stop losses and also changing take profits in accordance to your risk management, as we could soon see a correction from this region. Not too high, around 106. That was the recent break, but nevertheless, there is a little bit of a pause in this sell-off, which does give me some indication that there is a little bit of demand coming back into the market. Although we've got this strong stretch of a rally here from the pound, the ADX is overheating and the RSI has turned around. Keeping an eye on previously in this pattern that we saw a decline, but the MACD was in favor of the pullback. I would like to see a little bit more evidence, first of all, before giving the negative call. My view is neutral, but I am feeling that we're getting very, very close to a turnaround. Dollar CAD getting very close to the recent rejection area, which is this hammer at 133. I do anticipate that we could see another rebound from this level and see a correction back up to 134. Gold was a little bit wobbly from this top here, called a spinning top. Here's the market is, first of all, showing a red candle for the first time in this bull run, with an ADX overheating and the RSI pulling back. We do need to see a little bit more evidence to the downside. Although the market is a bit soft into the coming of this European session, we could see a bit more weakness. But until we get the break of 1,900, then we're still going to see a lot of volatility. Wrapping up with oil, the market isn't going anywhere, and it hasn't done for some time. Still capped around that 42 handle. I do and still hold the call back to $36 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. Hope you enjoyed a great start to the day.